What's going on? I'm Matt. Today, we're making some Hawaiian teriyaki burgers, some bomb-ass street corn. So let's get to it. For the crema, I just want to add about half a cup. Same with the mayo. That doesn't get your loins a stirring. You must be dead inside. There you go. That mayo. Oh, God, it's disgusting. It's supposed to be like a clove, so that's probably fine. Yeah, can't have any Mexican food without cilantro, right?
Oh, don't tell me dog shit.
You gotta have all the cilantro. Yeah, that's already too much cilantro for me. Must be just 1/4 of a teaspoon for this shit. So usually I just do it in like a little pinch, but my 1/4 of a teaspoon measuring here, you know what I'm saying? Gonna do it fancy. Yeah, look at that. God, that shit's strong. You know what I'm saying? Like that, there you go. A little lime action. Calls for lime zest. Which I do not have. And I think you could make just by dicing up the rind. But I know that. Look at that. That ain't the grossest shit you ever seen. Get the fuck out of my face. I know this one guy, telling him mayo was his favorite snack. He used to just sit there with a jar of mayo in front of the fridge and just eat it with a fucking tablespoon. Let's see what it tastes like. You know what I'm saying? Taste test action. Really good, maybe a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt there. Here we have the Mexican kid shucking the corn. Because we're proud Americans. We're too white, we don't know how to shuck corn. So we went to the master, you know what I'm saying?
I love my mom's cooking.
Every time he talks about the food his mom makes, I'm just like, I want to be your mom. Well, more accurately, I want to eat all of her food. You can just apply the goop, you know what I'm saying? Put a little bit of the crema sauce on there, a little cotija, a little bit of chipotle powder. Probably wouldn't have a platter that's big enough to hold all your corn. This is a little small, so it kind of rubbed off on it when I turned it, but... I have had no formal culinary cooking, so before you tell me how wrong my form is, I can just tell you to go fuck yourself. Just sauteing some onions, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of olive oil, a little salt and pepper if you want. I just put a little bit of pepper. Just throw on the grill for a little bit. Some bomb diggity. So, I was actually looking into pineapple, since like I said, I know very little about pineapple. They store for, how to tell a ripe one. Looks like this one's still a little unripe, but it's about the best I could find. It turns out that they're basically just like every other fruit. If they're green, they're more unripe, and if they're more yellow on the outside, they're riper. The problem with pineapple is that when they start to rot, it's hard to tell, they turn orange. And orange is very close to yellow. It goes all green, all yellow, all orange, all brown, and by that point they're like rotting. They say pineapple cores are the most poisonous things in the world. Cobras ain't got shit on this. Arsenic, nothing. Oh, it's pineapple cores, bro. Italian? Mamma mia! It's a spicier garlic. This means whatever you want for the marinade. I've done a sesame teriyaki marinade to the market. Look at that. That's about perfect. feel somewhat like a real chef.
This is the real way to hold it.
Right. I consume at least 2 beers while you're doing that. Just some of that sizzle. Nothing like just searing up flesh on a nice 100-degree summer day. Kind of hard with this. Thicker, like wedges. That's like a little bit thicker. That's almost perfect. Just squeeze this wiener out of here. Probably medium rare right now, I'm guessing. On this grill, so I think they're perfect personally. Troy's helping.
How do the details downstairs?
My kitchen reek, so I clean them out and put them upstairs. Throw a little bit in the corn, a little bit. Here's a whole spread for whatever reason. Here's buns, here's all this shit too. So that's everything. Corn, trimmings, burgers, weenies, pineapple. It's like a Maui luau in this bitch. Don't mind the dog medicine. So I got that good shit. The slimy, disgusting nonsense. Fucking delicious. You know, sauce and some sesame seeds. Oh yeah. It's that fire. Although I put this shit in everything, so I'm biased. I'm gonna grab one of these. This is the habanero one. So I'm gonna grab one of those. Victory beer? Santos victory beer? Not victory beer? A couple sides, you know. Yeah, there you go. Dell's work.